Would take a moment, hit that like, subscribe, and bell notification. That way you'll be notified if any new videos come out. I'd appreciate it, and I would appreciate your support if you would do that for me. Hi guys and gals, welcome to T.A.B.Videos. Glad you could stop by. Let me grab this other magazine right quick. Before I forget it. Alright, we got our carry gun out here, the Shield Generation 1. We're going to run some factory ammo. These are 6-hour V-crowns. We're going to run some defensive loads through it. I've got some other ones to shoot up, see how she handles them, which it's handled them before, but it's good to clean out your magazines once in a while, shoot the old ones up. Well, here we go. All right. Back up here, just a tickle. Whoop, she's about to go. Shoot a little bit high. There we go. I got to get a better way to secure those stands out here at the sand pit. These are the Hornady, what are they? Got the copper or the rubber tip in them. Hornady Critical Duty, 135 grain. All right, fired all them okay. Let's get some more. Okay, we've got a hodgepodge of ammo here. We got Gold Dot, HST, and I think there's a few SIGs in here also that we've changed around. Got Federal HST. It looks like it's just Gold Dot and HSTs. So I'm going to shoot them up. We'll load her up and get her going. Okay, here we go. I didn't have as many HSTs as I thought I did. I think there's only 5 in here. The first one's Spear Gold Dot, and there's a full mag of 8 rounds of the Spear Gold Dot in this one. Let's see how these do. I don't expect any problems, but you never know. Right, those all fired okay. Now these are all Gold Dots. Oh, that's it. Okay, there you have it. Smith & Wesson Gen 1 Shield. I got the old light on it, but we just want to get out, shoot some ammo up, just to get out of the house. Like I said, it has been a long winter. I thank you so much. Thanks for watching. God bless America and our armed forces, past and present. We'll see you on the next video.